Hi guys, welcome to Ahmad Family Vlog. Today special, we are going to cook crab masala. First thing, this one my wife is going to cook, and you have to know one thing, she is a Filipina and she will cook this crab masala in Indian style. Yeah, you hear right. She will cook in Indian style with the spice and everything. Anyhow, now we will proceed for cooking crab masala. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it, please support me. Thank you guys. Let's go for procedure. Hi guys, she is my wife. As I told you, she is Filipino. Going to cook crab masala. Want to say something?
Hello.
Say a comment.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Support Ahmad Family Vlog.
Thank you. Let's do it.
Now let's go to our ingredients.
Yes guys, this is Indian spice. This is called turmeric, chili, black pepper. This is called garam masala, which is cumin seed, coriander, elaichi. All the garam masala is mixed here. This is coriander powder. This is cumin powder. This is salt. We already prepare how much we have to keep according to quantity of crabs. This is ginger paste, this one garlic, and this is tomato puree. We will use tomato puree here because right now we don't have raw tomato, but we mix with onion already. Onion, we grind it. What we did is we grind the onion. As you can see, there is onion, and we mix tomato also inside. It's very few tomato, that's why we are using puree. So this is tomato and onion puree, and this is the crab. Why we cut in center? So the masala will go inside, it will grab the masala, so taste will become full. See, this is the crabs. As you can see, this is the full crab. Is nice. See, it's yummy, right? Yeah, what we did before, after washing this one, we boil this one little bit in turmeric, so the smell will be removed, so it will not too much smell, because some people they don't like when it's smelling, because it's seafood, of course it will smell, but if you will keep little bit turmeric and boil, so it little bit smell will be removed. So now guys, we will proceed for. Okay guys, now she is going to cook. So first we are going to keep little oil. That is non-sticky pan, so we no need to use too much oil. Little is enough. For starting, now she is going to cook little cumin seed. Little, yeah. See. Now, when it's little bit heat already, then we will mix. When it's little heat, then she is going to keep onion and tomato paste, which we make puree before. As you can see. Keep heat, the stove heat should be in medium. Whenever you're keeping heat in medium, the food will be cooked little slow, but it will be tasty. It will not burn, it will taste not burn, it will not overcook. It's all control will be in your hand. So let it cook in medium heat. Okay. So guys, we have to let it cook until it will be brown, little brown. The onion, that puree we keep there. So when it will be little brown, then we will start to keep these ingredients one by one. This all. So guys, now you can see it's become little brown. So now it's time to keep other ingredients. Now she is going to keep, this is garlic, 2 teaspoon garlic we use. This is garlic paste. Now this is ginger paste, 2 teaspoon also. Now yeah, she is mixing now. Now she is going to keep other ingredients, the spices of India. This is turmeric, 1 teaspoon or less we can take as per the taste. Chili, how much you like. If you want, you can keep 1 teaspoon. This is the spicy chili we keep. Now this is black pepper. Garam masala, coriander powder, then this is cumin seed. Salt we will keep according to taste how much we need. So she is going to keep little bit as per the taste. Now we will mix, let it brown little bit more. You can see this masala has become too dry. Now she is going to keep little bit water to let it cook more perfect. See, now you see that color is changed already after the water go inside. This is totally her ingredients. I am not involved in this one. What she is keeping, what she is mixing. As you see, she keep more water.
We will mix it and we will let it boil.
Now let it boil this one little bit. So when you will see when it's proper cook, oil will come out little bit. You can see the oil on the top little bit. It will come automatic when it's cooked. Like I told you in last video, when I cooked the dry date halwa, when the oil is anything is leaving oil, it means it's cooked. So she will let it cook little bit, and I think now she is going to mix tomato puree also.
Tomato puree. Then we will mix it. Then we will let it boil again. Going to mix. Now we are going.
After she is keeping water, she will let it cook. She will cover it. So you should cook masala with cover, because the smell will be there. The smell, that fragrance of masala, it will not go out. So you will feel all the fragrance and taste of the masala. So guys, let it cook little bit. This one, as I told you, when the oil will come out, then we will know it's already cooked. So little bit oil will come out from that masala. Then we will mix this crabs. It's already cut in pieces, as I told you in starting. So just wait it to cook this one. I think guys, now it's leaving oil. So you will check, let's see. Yeah, I'm correct. see the oil is on the top little bit. So I think it's time to mix the crab now. So see, you see the so masala is ready now. So we will mix the crab. We will saute this one little bit with the crab. See, she's trying to put masala on the top, so masala will go inside. The crab will absorb the masala. Then only you will feel the real taste of Indian spice. Now we are covering this one, so let it be little bit steamed also. So let it cook like 5 to 6 minutes because we are using medium flame. So yeah, 5 to 10 minutes maximum, not more than that. This is crab. Now guys, you can see it's almost cooked. So it's the smell is very yummy. Really, the fragrance of the food is very yummy. Delicious. You can see guys, why we cut. See the masala, it's go inside. It's absorbed by crabs, so taste will be more yummy. See. Now guys, the crab masala is ready. We garnish this one with coriander leaves. So the coriander leaf also, is too healthy, and it will make the smell fragrance also good. So now you can see. I hope you guys will like this one.
Hope you like my recipe, crab masala in Indian style.
So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thanks for your support. See you soon in next video with something else.